Hello everyone, this is Lightning McQueen here. I hope you enjoyed my last episode. Today we're going to go to Gun Hill Road. I just got on the 5 train from Grand Central from the 7 line. And here I am heading to Gun Hill Road to show you something new. What was that? Here it is, our next stop.
This is Gun Hill Road. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
I don't know why they have to repeat it twice. Alright, here we go.
This is an Eastchester Bound 5 local train. The next stop is Baychester Avenue.
Oh, aha, so there's the new sign. I got on car number 6907 on the 5, and here it is, leaving the station. So there's something I have never seen before. In 2016 or 15, let me think about this. So in 2015 or 16, let me think. I went to Gun Hill Road for Thanksgiving, but there was no elevator, and this is Gun Hill Road in the present. New stairs, and in the past there was a no entry sign, but now there's an extra staircase. Here it is, exit elevator to mezzanine. So, I haven't shown you the elevator yet. Well, if I can, maybe I have a chance. So, here it is. The elevator to mezzanine. Please let people with disabilities and seniors board first. No one's on the elevator. The green up sign. Mezzanine. Elevator capacity 2,500 pounds. Here we go. New, clean. Aha. There's something new about it too. To Dyer Avenue, 5. To Dyer Avenue 5. The exit says there's the accessible one, East Gun Hill Road, Seymour Avenue, DeWitt Place, Manhattan and Brooklyn. Oh wait, I haven't seen the elevator to Manhattan and Brooklyn. So here's the elevator to Manhattan and Brooklyn. I hope it works. Yes, it does. Yep, I hope there aren't any people there. There's the red downside. Platform, close. Same thing, capacity 2,500 pounds. This elevator is clean, nice, and it doesn't even smell like urine either. Wow. There's still the boarding sign. Boarding sign. Sorry. And here's the new sign. I wonder when the next train is gonna be, but I hope I don't have to wait too long. We'll be right back. So there's the elevator for the uptown side. And there's the elevator to the Manhattan bound side. What's going on? Ooh. Unfortunately, the red line isn't working this weekday.
Hello, everyone. Masks are still required even if you're vaccinated. Mask up and stay safe, New York.
Let's see. For Fast Track,
Still is.